Got up this morning to talk to you, but for me seems to be like you're on a fast train, and I'm so slow, I'm so slow. You're like a band I haven't heard, but I can see they're great. But trying to talk to you, don't know if you can wait, 'cause I'm moving through molasses and you're on a fast train. You're on a fast train. I just woke up and I'm a little sniffly and